Hey guys, if you are visiting Sri Lanka, it's awesome to do Sigiriya and Pidurangala hikes. Sigiriya, which known as Lion's Rock, is an ancient rock known for its massive column of rock that reaches nearly 200 meters high. King Kashyapa chose this site as his new capital. He decorated the walls with beautiful artwork called Sigiri Pithusitthuvam and built an impressive palace right on top of the rock column, accessible only through the mouth of an enormous carved lion. The Pidurangala rock climb is a moderate adventurous trek in Sri Lanka that is popular for its amazing views of Sigiriya rock. The climb, which takes about 30 to 45 minutes. You can get an iconic photo of Sigiriya from the top